The Kabushi and Kwacha by-elections will not be held soon. This follows the latest ruling by the Court of Appeal, which has sustained the stay of proceedings before the High Court in the case of Bowman, Lusambo and Malanji, in which they are challenging the decision of the Electoral Commission of Zambia to reject their nominations for Kabushi and Kwacha constituencies. The state made the application to the Court of Appeal following suspension of the Kabushi and Kwacha by-elections until determination of the matter before the High Court. The state submits that the application before the Court of Appeal is on grounds that the High Court erred in law when it interpreted the Constitution instead of referring the matter to the Court of Jurisdiction in line with Article 128(2)(b) of the Constitution. The state, through Solicitor General Marshal Mujende, submit that the petition before the High Court is wrongly before it, as Article 52(4) only applies to nomination challenges and not rejection of a nomination. However, the respondents argue that the High Court already granted the state leave to refer constitutional matters to the Constitutional Court. The respondent's lawyer, Tutu Angulube, argues that the case is prematurely before court and should not have been brought to the Court of Appeal. He says the application is premised on an assumption that the state has lost the case when not. And Makebi Zulu argues that the High Court never interpreted the law but endorsed other findings with respect to the matter before it. However, the Court of Appeal found that the state had proved that there is reasonable prospects of success in the grounds for the appeal. The court also ruled that the applicants would be prejudiced if the matter was heard without stay of proceedings. The court has extended the stay of proceedings before the High Court until determination of the matter before it. The court has set 20th October 2022 as hearing of the appeal. Rhoda Mvola, Diamond News.